Tdcube is a Gamecube remote emulator. It will let you control Dolphin from Touchdesigner. First, download Dolphin on your computer and place the app in the application folder. Then download the Tox files available on the project page. Open Touchdesigner. Drag and drop the Tox files. You can save them under the page My Components. Let's configure the console. Under Tdcube settings, write your computer's username. To find your computer's name, go to About This Mac, then More Info. The console is ready to communicate with Dolphin. Let's connect our remote. Simply plug the remote in the Tdcube. It will start a pipe command called TD1. In Dolphin, under Controllers, go to Port 1, Standard Controller, and then click Configure. At the top, click First One, refresh, then select the TD1 pipe. Finally, we need to map the controller in Touchdesigner. You can use the container Tdcube triggers models. Simply go into the container. On the left, you can create your custom inputs. They should be linked to the nulls that corresponds to a Gamecube controller. Copy all the operators and pass them next to your remote. Then simply drag and drop each value to the corresponding button by selecting the chop reference option. You can now try to move the main stick and see Dolphin reacting. You can connect other remotes by simply dragging another Tdcube controller. Be careful to not rename it, because scripts that refers to the name of the controller might not work if the name changed. In Dolphin, simply open a new port. If you wish, you can calibrate the button under Dolphin settings. You are now ready to start your games. You can now control your game with any inputs you wish to. Share your best way of controlling games. This project has been tested only on Mac M2 and Mac Studio M2.